Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen faucets. A seemingly simple fixture that can actually make a big impact on your daily kitchen life. Whether you're renovating your whole space or just replacing a leaky friend, choosing the right faucet can be overwhelming. But fear not. In this video, we'll break down 10 key things to consider, turning you into a faucet-selecting.pro. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's get started. 1. Function first, pull down, pull out, or traditional. Think about how you use your faucet. Do you need a high arc for filling tall pots? Maybe a pull down, sprayer for rinsing dishes or reaching every corner of the sink? Traditional handles offer a classic look, but pull down or pull out options add versatility. 2. Sink compatibility. Size matters. Measure your sink's deck and number of holes. Will a single hole faucet fit, or do you need a deck plate for a wider spread? Ensure the spout reach allows comfortable filling and cleaning without splashing. 3. Flow rate and spray power. Find your balance. Consider your water pressure and usage habits. High flow faucets might feel luxurious, but if your pressure is low, it could be frustrating. Look for options with adjustable spray patterns for powerful cleaning and gentler rinsing. 4. Finish frenzy. Stainless steel, chrome, or something bold. Match your faucet finish to your sink, appliances, and overall kitchen style. Popular options include stainless, steel, chrome, matte black, and even brass for a vintage touch. Remember, finishes can affect upkeep, so choose wisely. 5. Handle happiness. Knobs, levers, or touchless. Think about ergonomics and ease of use. Knobs offer classic charm, levers provide precise control, and touchless faucets promote hygiene. Consider your dexterity and preferred cleaning methods. 6. Smart faucets. High-tech convenience. Smart faucets connect to your smart home system, offering voice control, temperature adjustments, and even leak detection. While cool, weigh the tech features against your budget and tech savviness. 7. Budget blues. Striking the right balance. Faucet prices vary widely. Determine your budget up front and prioritize features that matter most. Remember, quality materials and brands often translate to longer lifespans. 8. Installation woes. DIY or pro help. Assess your comfort level with plumbing projects. Simple faucets might be DIY friendly, but complex installations are best left to professionals. Factor in potential installation costs when budgeting. 9. Sustainability smarts. Eco-friendly choices. Look for faucets with water-saving features like aerators and low-flow options. Sustainable choices can save you money on water bills and reduce your environmental impact. 10. Warranty-wise, peace of mind matters. Choose a faucet with a good warranty to protect yourself against unexpected leaks or malfunctions. A longer warranty often indicates a manufacturer's confidence in their product quality. And there you have it, the 10 key considerations when selecting a new kitchen faucet. Remember, your kitchen faucet is not just a functional tool. It's a statement piece in your culinary space. Take your time, weigh the options, and make the choice that best suits your needs. Thanks for joining me on this faucet exploration. Remember, the perfect faucet is the one that suits your needs, style, and budget. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to finding the kitchen faucet that will make your life easier and more enjoyable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement content.